Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to see you again. So I'm Shuyang. I'm a lecturer from the University of Sheffield. So our project here focuses on food waste. So building a food waste tracker for responsible consumption and sustainability enhancement. So the food challenge we're tackling is around food waste in the UK. So here are some recent figures. So approximately 8 to 10% of the global greenhouse gas emission is about food waste. And in UK alone, almost 1 in 6 of the food we buy goes to wasted. To address those challenges, the RAP, so the Waste and Resource Action Program, placed resource efficiency as the primary solution to address food waste related issues. And to achieve it, then the actions to reduce food waste should be taken rapidly and at scale. So in our project, we are trying to enable this rapid and at scale action by building interventions and improving communication in the food waste system in the UK. So to achieve the goal, there are 4 issues that we need to address, and we're going to address them in this project. So the first one is about scattered data availability, which was actually mostly addressed from the 2020 scoping project, where in 2020, a mobile app to avoid food waste was built by the company of Intelli Digest, and here the company is participating as a co-I in this project. Okay, so in its current version, there are some linked database from the food producers to customer shopping list. So in this project, we're going to extend the previous project, and we're going to build algorithm-driven interventions, simultaneous feedback, and also further engage customers. So in some simple words, so the previous project focuses on the early stage shopping behavior. And in this one, we're going to extend all the way to food consumption and waste and feedback those waste information to retailers and suppliers in the whole chain. So to achieve it, our methodology is divided into 3 stages. In the first stage, we're going to integrate database and also develop the software. So for database integration, we're going to update the existing nutrition data and also embed Tesco and Waitrose food data into the food tracker. And also we're going to further develop the food tracker app by enable recording food and purchasing and diary related information. And the users of the app should also be able to record the food waste, as well as record other data such as the reasons for waste and their location data. So the STFC capability here is to guide the software design according to their algorithm needs in the later stage. And after the first stage, now the second stage, we're going to improve the user interface and also accumulate data in the app. So for data accumulation, we're going to target at record at least 500 weeks of user food waste data in the app. And the STFC here will advise and monitor the data accumulation. And meanwhile, we're also going to work on the improve of interface of the food tracker. So we're going to interview and do experiments of the users of this app and try to improve the interface according to their feedback. And in stage 3, so once we have the more than 500 weeks of food waste data, we're going to let STFC to guide the work for algorithm development. So the data scientists will analyze the data from the app, build algorithm to place intervention on reducing food waste, and also to predict future waste amount and behavior. And we're going to feedback those information to Tesco and Waitrose, as well as some local food producers. So in terms of impact, so we're going to engage with and impact on the food retailers. So primarily Tesco and Waitrose as partners of this project, so they can benefit to better understand the food waste data and also take measurements. we're also going to engage with some local food producers. So currently we're working with How Hunter at Reading and also 2 farms in Edinburgh. We're going to feedback them about the food waste behaviors so that they can adjust their food production. And also we're going to impact on policymakers as well as individual consumers and households. And also we're going to commercialize the app by building this digital technology of the food tracker so it can be applied to a larger scale of customers. And also the algorithm developed from this project can be further used for wider collaboration to monitor the food waste in the whole food system. Okay, and just a few on the project plan afterwards in terms of project bidding, building business case, as well as some academic publications. Thank you.